Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today's video I will show you how to make Rick and Morty in Infinite Craft. So let's get started. Let's add in here earth, and on that earth that we have right now, let's head over and add another water. Now we have plant. So for this plant right here, let's add in here another plant. Now we have tree. So for this tree, let's add in here fire. Now we have ash. So for this, let's head over and add another tree. Now we have pencil. So for this pencil, we have now that. So let's head over and put in here earth. Now we have drawing. So since we already have drawing, let's head over and then put that aside for now. So let's put in here another tree. And on this tree, let's put in here water. Now we have river. So for this river right here, let's put in here another tree. Now we have paper. So for this paper, let's put another paper. Now we have book. So for this book right here, let's head over and add a drawing to that. Now we have comic. So since we already have comic, let's add another drawing and merge that. Now we have cartoon. So for this cartoon, let's put it aside for now, and then let's put in here earth, and then let's put in here wind. Now we have dust. So for this dust, let's add in here another earth. Now we have planet. So for this planet, let's merge that another planet. Now we have star. So for this star, let's merge another star. Now we have galaxy. So for this galaxy, let's merge another star. Now we have universe. So for this one, let's head over and then put in here another universe. Now we have multiverse. So for this multiverse right here, let's merge the cartoon to that multiverse. Now we have Rick and Morty. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try best to answer. Thanks!